elevators have been reconditioned on the inside a little bit. They're not the same color anymore. Ready to see the new elevators? Here we go. That is one blue elevator. That's right, they've been repainted. Got new handrails and everything. On to 5B. Button goes out, and we'll get out here and we'll go down the other elevator.
Sorry.
That's my buddy Mike right there.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone. YouTube.
He's a rail fan, and he's going along with me while I look at some of the elevators down here. I think we all know this garage affords beautiful views of downtown Roanoke. And you can see the rail yard, and if you use the zoom lens, check this out. You can see a train over there.
They've been active today.
There goes a mixed freight train leaving Roanoke Terminal going east or north. So you get trains and elevator in the same video.
It's a first for me too.
And that is an EMD SD70. Looks like it's one of their new 1000 units. And there goes the train behind the building. Not the best lighting conditions, but you can still see the fall foliage up there on the hill. And you can also look over the railing and see how high up we are. We're 11 stories up. This is the tallest parking garage in Roanoke. Not just that, it's taller than a lot of the older buildings in Roanoke too. He's got a handicap too. Before we go down, I want you to see this staircase in here. Look how high up we are. You can see all the way down over here. See, it's a long way down. I'll let you see now. Now we'll go down this elevator. Notice there's only a single elevator over here, where there's dual on the other side. This is overhead drive traction. And this one has been redone too. It's very blue. Put it in the lobby. I do like the new color. They painted that like silver color. So yeah, this is the new interior decorations of the elevators to the Church Avenue parking deck. Still got your GAL Jet Plus vandal resistant buttons. And these elevators will eventually be modernized from what I've heard, but it's still going to be a while off. And there it goes, and that'll be it.